In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slow down audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make a piece of audio play more slowly, DaVinci Resolve gives you a quick built-in way to do it right from the timeline. This is useful if you're trying to create a dramatic effect, stretch out a sound, or simply make a clip play back at a slower pace for editing purposes. To begin, go to your audio clip in the timeline and locate the exact clip you want to adjust. Make sure you're selecting the correct audio file before making any changes, especially if your project contains several similar clips placed close together. Once you've found it, right-click directly on the audio clip to open the context menu. From that menu, click on Change Clip Speed. This will open the speed settings for that specific clip. This is where you can control how fast or slow the audio will play. The main setting to focus on here is the percentage speed. A speed of 100% means the audio plays at its normal original rate. If you want to slow it down, you'll need to lower that percentage. Click and drag the percentage speed to the left to reduce the speed value. As you move it lower, the audio will become slower in playback. In general, the lower the percentage, the slower the clip will sound. This can also make the clip longer in your timeline, since it now takes more time to play from beginning to end. As you adjust the speed, it's a good idea to think about how slow you actually want the result to be. Small changes can sound more natural, while larger changes can create a more obvious slowed-down effect. If you're editing for music, sound design, or a creative sequence, it may help to preview the clip afterward and listen carefully to how the timing feels in context with the rest of your project. Once you've set the speed where you want it, your audio will now play back more slowly than before. That's all it takes to slow down an audio clip in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working with multiple clips, remember that this change applies to the clip you selected, so you'll need to repeat the same process for any other audio you want to slow down. With just a few clicks, you can quickly control the pacing of your audio and fine-tune it to fit your edit.